when creating a simple or a lavish get-together party. Food menus and drinks always play a vital role in the host party planning, and paying attention to every detail with fabulous floral arrangements and alluring table settings makes the occasion an affair to remember. Hello fellow food trippers, please join us for a birthday celebration at one of the luxurious hotels in the heart of the capital city, the Admiral Hotel Manila, MGallery, nestled at Roxas Blvd, Malate, Manila. Admiral Hotel MGallery offers local and foreign tourists the ManilaGoldenTour to rediscover Old Manila's charm and historical spots, and travel is smoothly and in style with this classic 1951 BUICK SUPER 8. The hotel's Atrio Lounge elegant ambiance is welcoming. We make time to appreciate the display of artistically designed wall plates, the ceiling's stained glass art of Filipino traditions, and the art installation of Las Paginas de las Historias, or the pages of history, with a spectacular view from below. The artsy Atrio Lounge also offers a luscious afternoon tea, a delectable treat of tea, scones, muffins, cookies, and cakes, when to meet and eat with friends and family for simple conversations and a little gossip. Located on the 9th floor is the hotel's rooftop fine dining destination, the Admiral Club Manila Bay, with a unique full panoramic view of the magnificent Manila Bay. It is offering again the Admiral's VOYAGE trip, which created a positive buzz last year and spread like wildfire. The enticing dining treat continues as VOYAGE 24, inviting diners to an exclusive 40% discount on its regular all-day buffet spread daily until May 31st, 2024, with an additional 10% discount for Accor Plus members. These too good to be true offerings are complemented by a free-flowing iced tea drink for lunch and dinner buffet. The exquisite dining ambiance of Admiral Club Manila Bay was set to a party mood, with foods set on splendid buffet tables where everyone can partake and enjoy, with flattering lighting, soft music, and a comfortable seats enhanced with a stunning sunset scenery as a picture-perfect backdrop of Manila Bay. We indulged in a gastronomic feast with an adventurous voyage that brought us to the different places in the world from east to west, through the great grazing table with typical pre-dinner appetizers to nibble on, like cured meats, a wide array of cheeses with dried fruits and nuts. A plate full of fresh and nourishing mesclun blend with great dressings is a light meal to start and best served with bread and butter spread. Other choices at the salad bar are potato and sweet potato salad. Asian Ateliers has a lot of classic Asian delights with steamed baskets of Chinese dim sums, soft buns, and chicken feet, with yang chow fried rice and hot main dishes of tausi fish and mapo tofu, among others. The Japanese cuisine, on the other hand, has cold starters of kani salad, soba noodles, and poke balls, with meticulous created aburi, maki, and sushi, alongside tuna and salmon sashimis, tuna tataki, squid takoyaki, and a variety of noodles with umami broths like miso, laksa, beef, and chicken, with a wide selection of toppings to complete one's craving. Straight from the ice display are guilt-free options of fruits from the sea, cooked steamed like shrimp, mussels, clams, crabs, and oysters. Oyster lovers like us indulge in their savory baked oysters. On the other hand, meat lovers enjoy the smoky charred flavor of the boneless chuck roast, the main attraction of the buffet, and other meat choices like pork barbecues, pork belly, and chicken curry, which are seared to perfection. Moreover, delicious mains are presented with flair at the stove's table, with a good selection of Mediterranean specialties like Turkish paella, Sibas fish salona, Turkish pide pizza, hot mese with hummus spread and various dips, along with the traditional Indian cuisine of chicken korma, vegetable halrasi curry, and beef keema with rice pilaf. Fruit lovers like us have no excuse to partake of seasonal pressed fruits of red watermelon, dragon fruit, honeydew melon, and cantaloupe melon. Moreover, sweet tooth lovers are overjoyed at the generous selection of beautifully designed desserts at the El Atelier des Desserts, like the meringue-based mango pavlova, ube Paris breast, melts in your mouth brazo de Mercedes, luscious fruit tarts, and panna cotta, among others. The dessert corner makes it more appealing with fountains of melted white and dark chocolate, best drizzled on varieties of dunkable delights of mini meringues, marshmallows, and pressed fruit dippers, plus the 12 colorful flavors of ice cream at the spinning wheel. This array of sweet indulgences is a treat that is hard to resist. Everything considered, these perfectly orchestrated cuisines bring joyful harmony to our discriminating palates, and are elevated even more by the aromas of coffee and the serving of complimentary birthday cakes, a perfect finale for our special dinner. No matter how hectic our schedules are, we make time to be present and celebrate special occasions with our friends and loved ones. Having dinner together is our family's and friends' way of bonding. It was filled with happy and fun conversations, leaving us with precious memories that will last a lifetime. When you are in the mood to celebrate a worthwhile and stress-free occasion, come to a deluxe buffet at Admiral Club Manila Bay and enjoy the irresistible Voyage 24 promo offered at low rates for a maximum of 30 persons. Reservations can be made through their website at admiralhotelmanila.com or by direct booking at 0917-829-8434. The Voyage 24 promo is not valid during blackout dates and holidays. See you on our next food trip. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.